I can't believe you got them on the phone. All right, Miss, what is the name of the Creole interpreter, please?
Julian.
Can you speak up a little bit?
Julian.
Julene?
Yes.
Miss Julene. Okay, Miss Julene,
That is correct.
do you swear to interpret from Creole to English and English to Creole to the best of your ability?
Yes.
All right, wonderful. We have Mr. Joseph Lassour. Let me just make sure I have that right. No, Mr. Lovinsky Pierre. Hello, Mr. Pierre, how are you?
I'm good.
Bonjour, Monsieur Pierre. Comment est?
Muy bien.
Do you speak English or do you want the Creole interpreter?
Creole.
Okay. All right, it looks like somebody's here for you, but before we address your guest, I'm going to review the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $500.
Ok, mwen wè gen yon moun ki vin la pou, avan nou introduce visite a pou, nou ap ale arrive pase sou cause la, epi arrange bon nan a $600.
And you are not to have any contact with the victim in this case, who is Lucer Joseph.
E ou pa gen dwa gen kontak avek moun ki te victim nan kasa, ki te Luce Joseph.
All right, let's hear from the person. Ma'am, what's your name?
Lucer Joseph.
Okay, and what would you like to tell the court?
Nta remen di ke gen yon malentendu paske hier lè sa te pase, am demande polisi a yon moun ki pale kreol ou ki te ka bien explike, pou mte bien explike, li te di pou m eseye pale anglais pendant se tan ki m pa ka explike en anglais sa te pase ya.
Okay, so yesterday there was a misunderstanding that happened. When speaking to the officer, I asked the officer to give me somebody, an interpreter, to speak in Creole, communicate in Creole with, and he said to try to speak English. Meanwhile, I couldn't express myself in English.
Donc, vini la jodi a pou mande kontak avek papa petit mwen paske m vle gen kontak avek li paske papa petit mwen pa violent, li pa te bam kou, li pa te fem anyen ki mal, nou te jist nan yon diskisyon.
Okay, so I'm here to ask to have contact with my child's father. My child's father is not a violent person. He did not hit me. It was just we were just having a discussion.
Okay, I can't do it today, but you can ask the next judge to do it, okay? So it'll just be a couple of more days until you can ask the next judge. He can also talk to his lawyer about it, okay?
Ok.
Mwen pa kapap fè li kou jodi ya, men mwen kapap mwen pose l'autre juge la, parler avec l'autre juge la de sa. La kep pran kelke jou pou sa kapap fet, e ou kapap parler avec avocat li de sa.
And Madam Interpreter, could you please advise the client, I did provide him with a form with the attorney's phone number on it so he can call and discuss his case.
Ok, pou Monsieur Pierre, juge la vle fò konen ke lte bon papye ki gen informasyon avokat la dani ki ou kapab rele pou pale de diskite de kes la avek li, ka ou avek li.
Oh, okay, this case is done, and Madam Interpreter, we need a Farsi interpreter now. Do you have a Farsi interpreter?
I'm going to put you into the queue and let them know what you're looking for.
Thank you
I'm
so
pronouncing
much.
it correctly. My pleasure. You said Farsi?
Farsi.
Farsi, okay. Bear with me one moment.
Okay, bye. Now what do I do? Oh, she's done. I'd like to be done. Oh, we're on hold. This music is so nice. All right, are we just gonna wait for Farsi people to show up now? Okay. Try. What about that baby?
Did you? Let's go ahead and do it. Can we do Shepherd?
Shepherd, we're gonna find Shepherd. Can you do that?
Because the baby, can you do?
No rush, but, I mean, is it an issue if you,
It's in felony.
yes, is it an issue for you? If it is, it's fine. I mean, it's just a baby. It's not like it's not a ticking time bomb.
Kidding me?
We're trying, we're trying to call your case up early.
Madam Interpreter?
Thank you for calling language. Hello, hi. This is
Hi.
the Farsi interpreter. How can I help you?
Farsi interpreter, wow, that's fantastic. What is your name, sir?
My name is Ed, E-D.
Yeah. And then
Say it again.
we'll do him after.
Ed, E-D, Ed.
Oh, Mr. Ed?
Yes, that's correct, yes.
All right,
That's
and
me.
do you swear to interpret from Farsi to English and English to Farsi to the best of your ability?
I swear.
Okay. Headset for Miss Farsi, speaking Meredith Moyer? No? No oh, right, no headset. All right, thank you. Miss Moyer, good morning, not afternoon yet. How are you?
سلام، حال شما خوبه؟
مرسی متشکرم خوب نیستم
You have
I'm not
two.
well, thank you.
Oh, sorry. You have two counts in your arrest affidavit. One is for resisting an officer with violence, and the other one is for trespass after warning.
خب میگن شما دو فقره اتهام بهتون وارد شده. یکی این که شما در مقابل بازداشت مقاومت کردین و یه جایی هم که ورود بدون اجازه داشتین با وجود اینکه قبلا به شما اخطار داده بودن، شما تخطی کردین، وارد شدین، قبلا هم بهتون اخطار داده بودن که وارد نشید.
من
Could you please advise the client not to speak about any of the facts of the
Don't
case?
talk about your case.
خب میگن صحبت نکنین، توضیح ندین شما در مورد کیستون، اجازه بدین ایشون صحبت کنن.
I'm going to appoint a lawyer to help you. You can talk to the lawyer, but don't tell me about your case.
میگم من برای شما وکیل تعیین میکنم، بعد شما با وکیلتون صحبت کنین در مورد کیستون، با من صحبت نکنین، به من توضیح ندین.
You have a bond in your case. It's $1,000 for the first count and $100 for the second count.
Sorry, your interpreter needs a repetition on the amount.
You have resisting an officer with violence, a resisting officer with violence, that bond is a $1,000 bond.
من
Thank you. اجازه بدین شما صحبت نکنین. میگن شما در مورد اول که در برابر افسر مقاومت نشون دادین برای بازداشت، میزان وثیقش برای آزاد شدن $1,000.
And then the second count is trespass, that's a $100 bond.
و در مورد دوم ورود غیر مجاز وثیقش $100.
If you want to talk to me, you can talk to me, but don't tell me anything about your case.
من
اگر میخواین صحبت کنید صحبت بکنید، در مورد کیستون صحبت نکنید.
در مورد چی پس صحبت کنم؟ سوال چیه؟
And what should I say?
Talk to your lawyer.
من سیتیزن کانادا
با-
هستم. من سیتیزن کانادا هستم و انگلیسیم خوب نیست. اصلا متوجه نشدم که چه اتفاقی افتاد. من اصلا وقتی که به من گفتن من داشتم خارج می شدم از محیط سیورد و یه باغچه جلوم بود
Mr. Interpreter, is she discussing the facts? I don't know if she's talking about the case.
Yes, she does. Yes, she does. The only part was I'm a Canadian citizen, and the rest was explaining what happened.
Okay, so could you please, again, I'm going to provide a phone number where she can call and speak with her attorney one-on-one about the facts and any defenses she may have in the case.
و من مریض هستم.
صحبت نکنین خانم. یه شماره تلفن بهتون میدن، تمام این توضیحات رو به وکیل بدین لطفاً. چندین بار گفتن توضیحات رو به وکیل بدین. الان شماره تلفن بهتون میدن، اینا رو به وکیل توضیح بدین.
تلفنی که میدن که زنگ بزنیم کار نمیکنه. من هیچ کس رو ندارم من از کانادا هم تو آمریکا هیچ کس رو ندارم اینجا.
The phone that was provided, nobody's answering. I'm from Canada. I don't have anybody here.
Sorry. There's nothing I can do. You have a bond.
But I gave already credit card number to pay. They're supposed to process with
You
the
can do that
payment.
now with the bond. You have a bond. You'll be able to pay and get out.
Yes, but the phone is not
Yeah.
working. تلفن کار نمیکنه.
Try again.
تلفن کار نمیکنه. تلفنی که پین داره باید زنگ بزنیم. از اینجا نمیشه باندو گرفت. من کردیت کارت دادم که
All
از
right, somebody's
کردیت
got to
کارت.
help her contact somebody to get her out. So
هیچ کسی رو من
it's
ندارم.
not fair. The language barrier better
Yeah,
not keep her
اجازه. Sorry, go
Somebody's
ahead.
got to help
کسی رو
her
ندارم.
figure out how to bond out.
She says someone will help.
Okay, please.
خب یه نفر بهتون کمک میکنه اون وثیقه رو بسپارین بتونین از اونجا خارج بشین.
Okay. All right, thank you, Mr. Ed. We're done. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You're very welcome. You too. Thank you for calling.
Okay,
Bye
thank
for
you.
now.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Shepherd.
Good morning.
That's misdemeanor. There before.
It's a felony.
Got it. Okay, Mr. Shepherd?
Yes, sir.
Almost there, almost there. Larry Lee Shepherd, special appearance. We're taking you early and out of order because there's a sweet little baby here, and that baby should not be hanging out in the jail. So let me look at your case. Aggravated assault with a weapon, domestic. I reviewed the affidavit, it has probable cause, $5,000 bond, and no contact with the victim. Anything else before I hear from the witness?
Yes, Your Honor, we'd be asking for separate residences. It appears they do live together.
Okay,
And a
doesn't
one-time
that go with the
return.
no contact?
Yes, but the explicitness is.
All right, you can't live with, let's see, what was her name? My apologies.
Mia Johnson.
You can't live with Mia Del Rey Johnson. You can't live at 628 West Anderson Street. You can go back one time with law enforcement to get your things. $5,000 bond, no contact, no residing in the residence, nothing at all, okay? Now, let's hear, are you Miss Mia Del Rey Johnson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what would you like to tell the court?
Honestly, I'm just tired. It's a lot of verbal abuse, a lot of mental abuse, and then the physical is I'm just tired. I'm done.
Good for you, good for you. Goodbye, Mr. Shepherd.
Have a blessed day.
You too. Keith Costin, are we just English now? Everybody's off?
We're back to normal.
Special sensitivities are done? Does anybody else need a latte? Okay. Train's moving out of the station. We're getting out of second gear now. Okay. All right, do you want to waive his appearance, and I can give him, all right, appearance waive, PC in the affidavit, and let's do criminal mischief, $1,000 bond. Okay, what is this? Willie Shade, warrant does not have the affidavit to issue, that doesn't make any
I
sense. because
couldn't
looked at
see
this
it,
yesterday.
but I think, yes, that's what I was
Yeah,
gonna
I
say.
did this yesterday.
Just saying, we didn't have it to print out a copy.
But I got it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So I reviewed this, what's dated, 22nd? And I reviewed this on the 20th already. So I did find probable cause in the affidavit, and I'm the one that already signed the warrant. So you're being held now, no bond, Mr. Shade. Enjoy your stay. Jill Francis Wiles.
You want the PD, correct us?
Yeah, PD's appointed to every single case I addressed today. All right, Ms. Wiles, good morning. How are you?
Okay.
Standard.
All right, you have 2 counts. Count 1, trafficking in methamphetamines and trespass. The first count, since it's trafficking, is a $100,000 bond, and then the trespass is $250,000. There's PC in your affidavit to make those bonds Enjoy your stay.
There's no way to, get, the bond lowered?
You can talk to your lawyer, they can bring it up again, but not today. So sorry, bye-bye. Jonathan Torres? Mr. Torres, good morning, how are you? All right, you want to waive his appearance?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, PC in the affidavit for one count of simple battery, $500 bond,
And Mr. Ferguson?
and no return to 7030 South Orange Blossom Trail.
Thank you. And Your Honor, and Mr. Ferguson, yes, he's medical, so I will waive and ask that you just stay the bond.
All right, Mr. Raymond Bernard Ferguson, PC, was a KPS on a failure to appear, so that's a $500 bond, and his appearance is waived. And this is mine, this is my case, I'll see him again. Tell him I said hello, I'm really looking forward to meeting him in person. Okay, I'm sorry I missed him today. Corey Butcher? Okay, waive his appearance?
Yes, Your Honor.
Possession of cocaine, tampering, $1,000 each. PC in the affidavit. Yeah, I don't know, it's weird, right? Ray Anthony Lamar, who knows what's going on down there? Mr. Lamar, is that you? No. All right, what are we doing?
Credit time served is the offer, Your Honor.
Adjudication?
I
Crazy
can't-
Stallion Lager.
He
Okay,
has a ton of competency.
he's not going to
He has,
be able to plead today, never mind.
he has multiple, he's in competency proceedings in multiple
Okay,
cases.
can I ROR him on this alcoholic beverage? Okay, wonderful. ROR on this alcoholic beverage. Next is felony domestic.
If it had been a Four Loko, I would have said no.
Okay. Michael Abel. Mr. Abel, good morning, how are you?
Okay, how are you?
Anybody here for Mr. Abel? Okay, 2 counts, child abuse battery, probable cause for both counts, 2,500 for the first count and 500 for the second count, totals 3,000, no contact with the victim. If you live at 6429 Edgeworth Drive, you don't live there anymore, find a new place to live. You can go back one time with law enforcement. If you want any of this changed, talk to your lawyer, and they can always come back and ask the judge to modify what I did today. Okay, it's just the beginning, we're gonna be extra careful, okay? All right, goodbye. Frank Bishop, hello, Mr. Bishop, how are you?
Good.
Anybody here for Mr. Bishop?
No.
All right,
He
domestic battery by strangulation, the affidavit supports probable cause and a bond of 2,500, no contact with the victim, and no going back to 1200 Holden Avenue, apartment 116.
He qualifies for PTR, Your Honor.
All right, pretrial release is fine with me, no contact with the victim, don't go back to that address, 1200 Holden Avenue, apartment 16. You can go back one time to get your things, and then if you want any of this modified, you're gonna have to come back and ask the judge again. You have a lawyer, contact your lawyer, they will help you. Good luck to you, sir.
PTR,
PTR.
is that with a bond?
Do I need to?
I'm not sure.
No, it's
No,
not.
not
Okay.
here.
No.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Burnett? How are you?
All right, about so.
I'm wonderful, thank you for asking. Anybody here for Mr. Burnett? Okay. 3 counts, battery by strangulation, domestic, and then battery, and then assault. There's probable cause for all 3 counts in the affidavit. Your bonds are as follows, 2,500, 500, and 500. No contact with the victim, and don't go back to 2230 Gator Drive, apartment 311. You can go back one time to get your things with law enforcement. Other than that, you're gonna have to find someplace else to stay. And if you want any of this changed, you need to go ask the judge again. You have a number for a lawyer, they're gonna help you. Good luck to you, sir. Michael Florence. Hello, Michael Florence, how are you?
Doing good, how you?
Anybody here for Michael Florence? Thank you for asking. I'm good. Aggravated assault with a weapon and a battery, 5,000 on the first count, 500 on the second count. There's PC in the affidavit, and there's no contact with the victim. You're not going back to 5815 Wolf Road. You want to go back, you can, to get your things aside from the taser. You can go back one more time with law enforcement. Other than that, you have to find a new place to stay. If you want any of this changed, you have to come back and ask the judge, not me, not today. Talk to your lawyer and they'll help you, okay? All right, good luck to you, sir. Anthony Hiracheta. Mr. Hiracheta, is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good morning. How are you doing today? Anybody here for Mr. Hiracheta?
He qualifies, Your Honor, for PTR.
All right, I'll give you pretrial release. You do qualify. I find probable cause in the affidavit for battery by strangulation and battery domestic. Your bonds are not necessary because we're doing pretrial release, but you cannot have any contact with the victim in this case. You cannot go back to 5354 Nagami Drive. If you live there, you can go back one time to get your things with law enforcement. If you want any of this changed, call your lawyer and they'll bring it up to the judge, okay? All right, good luck to you, sir. Todd Curtis Stewart? Want to waive?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're going to waive, find PC in the affidavit for aggravated assault, dating violence, 2,500, battery, domestic violence, 500, false imprisonment, 1,500, total 3,500. Is this for you? Yes? Is this you?
Oh, okay.
Are you here for Stewart?
No.
No? Okay, it looked like you were standing up, very interested in this particular case. Okay, never mind. Just very interested and excited. She's ready. Okay, so back to Mr. Todd Stewart, 3,500 is the total. No contact, no return, 3179 9th Street, one time with law enforcement to get things. Anything else, Ms. George? That's good, right?
That's good.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Chelsea Tanner. Is that you, Ms. Tanner? How are you? Good morning. Oh, is this for you?
Yes.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Tina Shore.
Okay, hold on one second. Ms. Tanner, you have an arrest affidavit with 2 counts, aggravated battery, and a battery domestic. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause. The aggravated battery is a $5,000 bond, and the battery simple misdemeanor domestic is a $500 bond. The total bond is $5,500. Does she qualify for pretrial release? No pretrial release for you, and no contact with the victim. Let's see, are you Tina?
Yes.
All right, what do you want to tell me, Tina?
I live with my daughter in her house.
You live in her house?
Yes.
This is her house at 101 North Aurora Drive?
Yes, Your Honor.
How is it her house? Does she pay the rent?
It's her home.
It's her home. She owns it?
Yes, she's
It's in her
allowed me to
name?
live with her. I've been with her for a year, February 1.
Right?
I signed on a house Friday and I'm moving. I have a lot of my stuff packed now to get out because I don't want my daughter not to be able to go back to her home.
Okay. All right, so you can go back to 101 North Aurora Drive, but not while your mom's there. So, no, yeah, you have to maintain separate residences, but you can go back if she's out. So no contact with her, or do you want to just do no hostile contact? What do you want to do?
I'm not scared of my daughter.
Okay, no hostile contact. It's fine. Thank
May I
you,
say
bye.
one other thing?
Yeah,
I'm disabled and I have furniture and a shed out back. So how do I make arrangements once I leave today, get my stuff and
do you
go?
want me to give you a number for a mover?
No. I have to have some place to take it because I'm closing on a house. So it's at
Yeah,
her house.
no hostile contact. So
Okay.
she can have contact with you, just not with a plastic baseball bat or anything like that.
Okay, all right. Thank you,
Okay?
Your Honor. Yes.
Okay, thanks, bye.
So the maintain sub-resident, remove it.
Remove it, just do no hostile contact. Is that fine? Just don't hit her anymore. Yeah, go back home. Yeah, thanks, bye. Okay.
Your Honor?
5,500.
Your Honor? Can we take 2 minutes? I really need to use the bathroom.
Oh, yeah. Let's take a recess. I'll do that too. Misdemeanor domestic. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $500.
He qualifies for PTR, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll change it to pretrial release, no contact with the victim. Anybody here for you today? Looks like no.
You don't have to pay.
All right, good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Do you guys reside together?
Adriana Espinoza?
Did he get that one-time return with law enforcement? They reside together.
Yep.
Okay, so there you go.
Adriana Espinoza, hello, how are you?
And she qualifies too.
Oh, okay, great. All right, 1 count of battery, dating violence, you qualify for pretrial release, so I'll allow pretrial release. 500, no bonds issued because we're doing the PTR. No contact with the victim in this case. This concludes your hearing. Thank you. Ignacio Ortiz, hello, how are you? Is this, are you here for Mr. Ortiz?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wife.
And he qualifies, Your Honor.
all right. That's your wife?
Yes.
Oh, boy. All right, Mr. Ortiz, your affidavit supports probable cause for battery, domestic violence. He does qualify, you said? All right, you qualify for pretrial release. I'm going to allow pretrial release. Right now, I'm going to require you have no contact with the victim and find a new place to stay, not at 1472 Michael Trail. And what else?
One-time return.
Yes, thank you. One time to get your stuff with law enforcement. Now that I've addressed your case, I'm going to hear from the witness that's here. Are you Miss Dulciana Baez?
Dulcinea Baez.
Say again?
Dulcinea Baez.
Dulcinea Baez, what would you like to say?
Ma'am, I'm asking the court not to punish him, just to help him. He had mental problems and he needs very bad medications, and he needs to, I don't mind him to come to the house, because otherwise he's going to become a homeless, and he needs medical attention, and he gets aggressive because he haven't get his medications. He's a hardworking man and responsible, but he needs help, mental help. I've been several times in court on getting an ex parte, but it lasts 7 days, because in the weekends, he gets very depressive with alcohol and a lot of depression. And I'm only asking the court, like an ex parte, that I can seek some help for him, mental help. And I'm asking help for him.
Okay, but if I let him go back home, then I put you in danger.
No, he's not that danger. He was upset because we were arguing, because he got aggressive verbally. But that's why I'm asking mental help, because he needs mental help.
Right, but
Not a punishment.
while everybody's gonna try and help him find some help, what do we do now? There's no place to put him now. He either I tell him he can't go home and he can't be near you because I have to protect you.
I understand that point, ma'am.
I can't hear
I
you.
understand that point, but he's not that bad aggressive, but he can hurt himself. That's the problem. He's the one in danger, because he's aggressive. He took all his medications and drank them, and I had to call 911.
What do I do now? Do I let him go back home with you?
If you can, but mental institution, force him to go take treatment.
I
Because
can't do any of that today. I can, but he's gonna have a case with a judge, and he'll have a lawyer, and maybe there's something that they can work out as the case moves forward. But today is just his custody status. So I have to figure out how to address his custody status.
I understand.
And I don't know if the government can provide all of the help that he needs.
Yeah.
So right now, the only thing I'm focused on is making sure you're okay, and I can't put you in danger. So are you in danger with him?
I don't feel in danger. He's the one who gets himself in danger.
Okay, State, do you have any objection to letting him go home and having no hostile contact?
May I inquire briefly?
Sure.
Are you afraid of him?
No.
If something like this were to happen again, would you be willing and able to call 911? Sure. And do you understand that if the state doesn't object to contact today, that there's nothing we can do until you contact us again?
Can you say that again?
If he's allowed to come home, there's nothing I can do as far as these charges go unless we're contacted again and we go through this process again.
Yeah, if it happens again, yes, but the thing is, he needs help. He's in danger.
Yes, I understand. I'm limited in what I can do today. Your Honor, there's no objection, no hostile contact.
Okay, all right, I'll do it. No hostile contact, pretrial release. Thank you. Good luck, ma'am. Thank
He's
you.
in release?
He's gonna get released, right, and the only requirement is he can't be hostile with you.
Exactly. I call 911 again. So he's leaving home, ma'am? Is he coming home?
Yes, he's going to be processed and released.
Thank you.
Is that for me to sign? All right, so now we are on our felonies. Julio Acosta Diaz, is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, looks like you're here on an aggravated battery, and then you had an old case, CF 6785, that you failed to appear. So on the old cases, it's $1,000 for the first two counts, $100 for the third count. And then on your new case, it's a $3,500 bond and PC in the affidavit. Good luck to you, sir.
Ma'am, excuse
Yep.
me. No, it ain't like that. I finished that case. I get out of here. I finished that.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Dario Andujar, is that?
Andujar, ma'am.
Say it again?
Andujar, ma'am.
How are
Yes,
you?
Good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. All right, looks like you're here on an old warrant case. Grand theft in the second degree and criminal mischief. The judge signed it. The bonds for this warrant are $5,000 for grand theft second degree, and count two is $1,500. That's,
And no return.
It said.
oh yeah, and don't go back to the Walmart. So funny. Who is that? What is that? Okay,
Your Honor, count two.
Let me show you a signature.
I didn't hear her.
yeah, I know.
Your Honor, count two, did you set at 1,500?
Yeah, 1,500. Yeah, I know.
Defense, did they bond?
That's
Who?
perfect for me. Big and loud.
Mm-hmm. Did they bond?
I think they did, because I don't have them.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, he can go to Georgia, but he can't go to Walmart. Okay, Alonzo Carter.
All right, yeah, she agreed.
Mr. Carter, good morning, how are you?
How you doing?
Okay, looks like you are being held on a burglary of a dwelling. The bond is set at $5,000. There's probable cause to keep you on that bond in the affidavit. Good luck to you, sir.
Ma'am,
Yep,
No, what about the facts?
ma'am, I got a good job. I'm trying to get to, can I get a bond reduction, please? Please, ma'am. I got a good job.
yeah,
I'm there to
thank you.
start.
Denied. Thank you so much. Okay. Boris
I
Cedeno.
think you did.
All right, hello, how are you?
I'm doing fine.
All right, Judge Jordan signed an arrest warrant for you on two counts, burglary to an unoccupied structure and a petty theft. Count one is $3,500, count two is $250. No. And that's it. Good luck to you, sir.
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, is
In
there
your face.
another one?
No, that's it. And you cannot return.
Oh, and don't go back there. What's,
Yeah, yeah, I don't see, do you see it?
oh, that's a different one?
He has the pipe and the grinder, but no
Oh, it is.
testing,
It's just
nothing.
different. I
Yeah.
printed it twice, okay.
I was gonna say no PC. In this case, Your Honor.
Anderson Galarza, you want to make an argument on probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor, there was no testing of the drugs. I didn't even notice in the affidavit if there were, the officer does not mention that he actually found any cocaine. So I would argue no PC to the possession of cocaine within 1,000 feet of a convenience.
Response?
State concedes.
Okay, so, ROR on count one, and then count two is $500, and count three is $500, and PC for the count two and three only. No PC on count one. Thank you. Daniel Gregory? Is that you? How are you? All right, looks like you have two counts, battery on a law enforcement officer and disorderly intoxication. And probable cause in the affidavit exists for a bond of $5,000 on the battery and $500 on the disorderly intoxication. Good luck to you, sir. Mr. Hull?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Mr. Hall, so many papers here. Okay. 2022 CF 2639AO. Looks like that's an old case. Your bond in that case was $5,000. I'm going to revoke that old bond.
You saying you revoking it?
Correct.
I'm in trial for that case.
Okay, thank you so much. So your bond is revoked in that case, and now it's no bond. Then CT 5575AO, you have a bond in that case. That bond is also revoked, and now it's no bond in that case. And now you have a new case, carrying a concealed firearm, possession of cannabis, and possession of drug paraphernalia. There's probable cause in the affidavit to support those counts. As to the carrying concealed firearm, it's $2,500. Possession of cannabis is $100, and possession of drug paraphernalia is $100. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir.
You can't bond on either.
Did I do that all right?
No, I don't bond for two.
Two, yep.
All the attorney.
And the PD's on all of his cases, yes. Okay. Amir Jam. Hello, Mr. Jam, how are you?
Thank you.
Okay. You have 2 counts in your arrest affidavit, battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting with violence. There's PC, probable cause in the affidavit to support the charges. The battery on a law enforcement officer is $2,500, and the resisting with violence is $150. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir. Sierra Jones.
Your Honor, she bonded.
Oh, good for her.
Ask him, he'll tell you. She had a question.
Hersuena Josama, how are you? I'm well, thanks for asking. Possession of a controlled substance on a warrant by Judge Netcher. Your bond is $250. Good luck to you. Patrick Pierre?
Yes.
Hello, Mr. Pierre, how are you?
I'm all right. How about yourself?
I'm okay. Today, you have a new case, a new arrest affidavit, possession of cocaine. You have an old case, I'm gonna address in a second. So your new case, there's probable cause, in the affidavit. So your bond in the new case is $1,000. Your old case, MM25AW, bond was $500. Is that a driving without a valid driver's license? ROW?
It's a resisting, Your Honor, without violence.
That's not good, okay. I'm gonna revoke your bond in that case. I'll give you a new bond in that case. It'll be $2,500. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir. Quintana is mental health?
She's gonna keep going.
Oh, all right, you want to waive Quintana and let me do
Yes.
PC? Okay, PC in the arson, second degree, $2,500 for Quintana. Thank you. Kimmery Rodriguez Casio?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, how are you?
No good.
Okay, you have an arrest affidavit that a judge signed, let's see who it was. Judge Tynan signed an arrest warrant for you on one count of false report to a law enforcement officer, and he set the bond at $2,500. You don't qualify for pretrial release.
She interviewed PTR?
Rodriguez Casio, Kimmery Rodriguez Casio.
Okay, so you're good. You can say the bond, Your Honor.
Okey
Says someone's
dokey.
posting.
Very good.
There you go.
All right, I gotta sign these for you, right? Yes.
Okay, just one.
Okay. Wanza Thomas,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you?
Good, and yourself?
I'm wonderful, thanks for asking. You have one count of possession of methamphetamine, MDMA, ecstasy. The PC is in the affidavit to set your bond at $1,000. This concludes your hearing. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Ernest Toomer, same thing, possession of MDMA, PC, probable cause in the affidavit, and $1,000 bond. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Next case is Noel Velez Santiago. Good morning, how are you? Is this where, is this what, is that,
Judge.
okay, just making sure. Better pen. 1 second, sir, I'm looking for a new pen. Okay, 3 counts, Mr. Velez Santiago, possession of fentanyl, cocaine, and resisting without violence. There's probable cause. It's an arrest warrant. The Judge Rodriguez issued a warrant for you on these 3 counts and set your bonds as follows: 1,000, 1,000, and 100 to those 3 counts I just went over with you. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir. You want to waive his appearance and do PC in a bond?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, PC, in the affidavit, his appearance is waived, carrying a concealed firearm, bond at $2,500. Thank you so much. Misdemeanor non-pleables are next. Jahari Bennett. All right, Jahari Bennett, you want to waive his appearance? He has a bond, $500.
What happened to, where? Where?
Oh. Isn't that the one I just did?
Yeah, but she was the mental health. Bennett is mental health.
Oh.
That's when she did Bennett.
No,
No, she
slow
did
down.
where?
Yeah.
And now we just, he said Bennett is mental health.
She's paying attention.
Let me find out where. Can I get where?
Yeah.
2300, 1849.
Bennett is a $500 bond. So let's fix that. Thank you so much. Thank God somebody's watching.
1849.
$500 bond, failure to appear. Thank you. Where? W-A-R-E?
1849. Okay.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're fantastic. Thank God. All right, Robert Perry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. There's actually an offer to resolve the case
Oh,
within.
good, it's my case. You don't want to come back and see me in regular court?
You want to come back? Or you want to go home?
You can see me again.
He's like, he wants to go home.
I want to go home too.
The offer is an adjudication of guilt, credit time served,
Wonderful.
and there's no return to 75304 City Road, which is the Circle K.
I love the Circle K. Come on. Is this your signature here on this plea form?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the form?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to take a plea today and resolve your case?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I find you understand the rights you're giving up today in exchange for your plea. I find a factual basis to accept your plea based on, oh, I need a state's proffer.
I will,
Can't do that.
I will stipulate to a factual basis.
Like, court has to find a factual.
Oh, okay.
basis. Yeah, it's a thing. It's a rule. Hold the phone. Thing. Court can't rely on a stipulated factual basis. It's the court's responsibility. I don't know why. Something must have happened a long, long time ago. 2022, MM 528, is that right? 5289 AO. It was an adjudication? Adjudication?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I find a factual basis based on the arrest affidavit. I'll accept your plea and impose the following sentence. Adjudication court costs 6 months to pay or report to the clerk's office to work out a payment plan, and don't go back to 75304 City Road, which is the Circle K. Thank you so much. Good luck to you, sir. All right, yeah, don't go back to Circle K. Next is traffic. Whee! Who do we have? Tony Giddens, right? Are you Tony Giddens? Where's Tony Giddens? Did he
Misdemeanor, oh, no.
Did he bond out? Booking number, Division 85. What is a booking number?
2300, 18 something.
2300 1829. How do you know that? Bonded, wonderful.
I put his time
Yes.
That's your case.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo-hoo.
The information is filed, so I have to do it on.
122, 23. Yay, thank you. Yeah, I'm sad. I miss him already.
Resolve your case.
Tony Giddens,
Set a bond.
is that you?
Miranda, yes, ma'am.
That's the one bonded.
Oh, right, bonded. Tony Giddens bonded?
Yeah, he had 2 cases.
Oh, there you go. And you're Mr. Gabriel Miranda, reckless driving, PC in the affidavit. Your bond set at $500. Slow down, Jesus Christ, 120 miles an hour. Thank you. So who is it? I thought you just said Miranda? What's your name?
Miranda, Miranda.
I'm sorry.
He already bonded?
Yeah, I was bonded this morning. I was told.
Oh, so you are him and you did bond?
Yeah, I should have been. I just don't know.
Okay, thank you. Slow down. You're here because we needed to tell you to slow down.
Don't you talk about.
Slow down. 120 miles an hour is crazy. Slow down. Don't say a word. Slowly practice walking out of this court. Slowly. Let me see you walk slowly.
Good morning.
Slow. Oh, there you go.
But we're not doing this our age.
No, we don't need to.
Yeah.
He bonded.
Oh,
People, yeah, that's dangerous.
gay is so dangerous.
He was.
It's like a firearm. I say the same thing over and over again. A gun can shoot one person, a car can shoot many at the same time. Horrible. Okay, are you Gabriel Costa Cebollo Ademalo, blah, 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 blah? Yeah, okay. All right, you're here on a driving under the influence charge. There's probable cause in the affidavit, $500 bond. Good luck to you.
He qualifies.
All right, I'll give you pretrial release. It looks like you qualify. No drinking and driving. Thank you so much. Wissy White, goodbye. Wissy White? Whistle, Leverett, White. Where'd he go?
It's probably got friends.
Booking number 23001835. It was a citation for driving with the suspended license. I take it he bonded out? Yes, he bonded. Okay, wonderful.
But he can't pay his fines.
Oh, and he had a failure to appear, that's why, on another one, $1,000. Yeah, okay, so he bonded on both of those. Okay, Tanya Zaremba?
I will waive.
Okay.
She bonded too.
Bonded and she's in the hospital. Good for her. Okay. As long as she's not here. Very good. Next ones are the pleables, misdemeanor pleables, Lavaris Foster.
Yes.
All right, petty theft. You want a plea?
There's no offer, Your Honor.
Yeah, I can't play the petty theft.
It's a petty theft.
Well, that's a bummer. $250 bond, probable cause in the affidavit. Good luck to you, sir. Oh, this is mine. I'll see you. Bye, Mr. Foster. Hey, listen, don't miss our next court date. Is he gone?
He can hear you. He said.
Yeah. You're gonna come see me, Mr. Foster. Don't forget about me. Please.
He said
I'll
okay.
miss you forever. Also, don't go to the Walgreens. Okay. Karima Legrier, is that you, sir?
Mm-mm.
Did he bond out, Division 62? 23001813. Okay. I love misdemeanors.
Me too.
Maurice Miller, bonded? Maurice Miller?
No, he's medical.
No, his mental health.
Mental health.
All right,
We're gonna ask,
PC, waive, and bond at 500.
Your Honor, state was in agreement. We were gonna ask for an ROR.
Okay, ROR
Thank you.
on Mr. Miller. Thank you so much. And Jesus Manuel Perez Font, is that you?
Yes.
All right, how are you doing today? Not so good, right? Yeah, okay. So you have a misdemeanor charge here for resisting without. That stinks because you also had some open cases. There's probable cause for your resisting an officer without violence. So the bond in that case is gonna be $500. The question is what we're gonna do with your felony cases. You had a bond at, 3,000 for CF 9770 AO. What do you wanna do, State?
Your Honor, when Mr. Perez Font was arrested last night, he did not have a valid driver's license. I'm not sure why they didn't charge for that, but I would ask that for his out on bond case, he be revoked and go before that trial judge.
Well, that's what I was going for, and I was wondering if there was gonna be any argument against it. So far, we're not doing so well, Mr. Perez, because she just doubled down on what I was already gonna do. Ms. George, you have anything else you wanted to add? All right,
No,
so
Your Honor.
on the old case, it's
It's been filed.
okay, revoke the old bond, no bond on 2022 CF 9770 AO. You can go talk to the judge in that case. Oh, Polikoff is the agent, he's right across the street. That's great. And then the new bond is $500. Okay, good luck to you, sir.
The two charges he had for the,
No bond on the old ones, revoke none. Yeah, thank you. Brandon Rakes, hi, how are you? Yeah. All right, looks like you were charged with a battery, misdemeanor battery, and a disorderly intoxication. Probable cause in the affidavit, $500 bond for each, and no contact with the victim, and don't go back to 7600 University Boulevard. If you live there, you can go back one more time. I don't know what's going on, but don't go back.
Yeah, I was the one that was actually the victim, but we.
Oh, okay. Well, in that case, $500 bond for both counts, and don't go back to that address, and no contact with everybody else involved in that situation. Good luck to you, sir. Luis Fernando Rea Garcia.
Oh, my God.
Oh, good for him. Division 83, that's a lot of criminal mischief damages. Okay. Brian Reeves?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Mr. Reeves, how are you?
Okay.
All right, you have 2 counts, trespass and resisting, both misdemeanors, $500 each with probable cause in the affidavit. And is there an offer for him or no?
Adjudication, credit time served. No return to the Wawa located at 5810 Riley Street.
Okay.
And Mr. Reeves would like to accept an enter plea of no contest.
All right, Mr. Reeves, you want to enter a plea of no contest to these 2 charges, is that right?
Yes. That's,
All right, and is there signature here on this plea form? Thank you.
When you just shoot.
yes.
All right, you reviewed all the rights you're giving up today?
Yes.
Anybody force you to do this?
No.
Find you understand the rights you're giving up today in exchange for your plea. Find a factual basis to accept your plea based on the narrative in the arrest affidavit. I'll accept your plea and impose the following sentence. Adjudication on both counts, court costs, credit time served. How much time? 2 days?
2 days.
2 days, credit time served. You owe $273 plus $50 for Miss George's help next to you. I'm going to give you 6 months to report to the clerk's office and work out a payment plan with them. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Darren Starks. Hello,
Yes.
Mr. Starks, how are you?
I've seen better days. How are you?
The same. We have something in common. Besides seeing better days, this is my case. Your case is assigned to me
Okay.
out there. So I'll probably see you again. It's a battery charge, $500 bond, and probable cause in the affidavit. Anything else we could do today?
A battery charge for Darren?
No,
Stark?
Your Honor.
Right, Darren Stark, battery charge?
I haven't battered anyone.
Well, your lawyer's gonna represent you, and I will see you again, okay?
I thought I was here for criminal trespassing.
Looks like a battery charge.
I see 2.
Yeah, I just have boundaries. Do you have anything else?
I had a trespass, but I believe, didn't we see you for a trespass? That's what I thought. We already saw him for the trespass. This is for a battery.
Oh, so this is a new charge?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good luck to you, sir. See you later. Bye, 500. Out of county. All right. Stephanie Ayala?
She bonded.
She bonded, okay. Giovanni Copeland, is that you? All right, you have an out-of-state warrant. Oh, yeah, I want to be out of state. out-of-county warrant from Lake County for operating a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. So they'll send you there. Good luck to you, sir. No bond. That's terrible.
This is weird.
Edward Galvez, how are you?
Good, and yourself?
Okay. Looks like you have a couple of cases in this affidavit. Reckless driving, fleeing and eluding, failing to register your motor vehicle, and possession of marijuana over 20 grams. Those are the 4 counts in the affidavit that have probable cause. Your bonds are set at $500 for the reckless. On the fleeing and eluding, I'll make it $2,500. The motor vehicle's $500, and your possession of marijuana is $2,500. All right, you have your lawyer appointed to you. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir.
Your Honor, he actually,
It's over the line arrest, it's the Osceola case.
that's,
So it's 2,500, yeah.
Yeah. John Hedridge. Mr. Hedridge, do you want to waive? He has a violation of probation.
I will
and
waive, Your
bond. Okay. All right, no, appearance waived on Mr. Hedridge, violation of probation, no bond. All right, city and county ordinances, whee!
He has, Mr. Hedridge has a trespass and possession count.
Oh, on a new one? Oh, hold on, so, oh, thank you, you're right. Capias, probable cause on the new, count 1, count 2, and $100 on the trespass and $1,000 on the possession of controlled substance. Thank you so much. Let's see that in there. Jasmine De Jesus? All right, waive his appearance?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, disorderly conduct, anything before I rattle off a bond and a PC?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, probable cause in the affidavit, bond at $250. Thank you.
Did you have-
Carl Lee Jr.
No, I didn't have it. Did you?
No, I didn't have the,
You don't have Carl Lee Ramsey?
No, I didn't have De Jesus.
You didn't have, you don't have Jasmine De Jesus?
no, I don't even have
I don't have De
paperwork
Jesus.
on him.
1860. 1860.
Oh,
Oh, that's what I was thinking.
What we got? Who's this?
Ramsey.
Yes.
Ramsey refused?
There,
So who is this?
this is the next one, right, Your
Mr.
Honor?
Wright? Okay, hold on, Mr. Wright.
And Ramsey, Your Honor, I am gonna go speak with him. If we could have it reset, for tomorrow, understanding you might get yelled at, I would ask, because there's an offer to resolve actually both of his cases.
Okay, that stinks. They're gonna get mad, but reset for tomorrow. Just tell him I tried. That's all I can.
Bond case is a felony.
This one?
Yeah, he has regional conflict counsel, but it doesn't matter. We're trying to,
Okay, I got you.
Yeah, she wants to do it
So
tomorrow.
you said for tomorrow.
yes,
Yeah, oh,
Okay, I got you.
yeah, just make sure you tell her I tried.
I will.
Okay, Mr. Wright, disorderly conduct.
And
Anything?
then, oh, sorry.
Anything? Anything?
There's an offer, but we're gonna ask for an ROR. He has no history, military vet, Your Honor.
Okay,
Mm.
ROR, thank you so much.
No
Got it?
return.
Don't go back to where?
He lives here now.
Don't get in any more fights.
Please. Gotcha.
We'll both be in trouble.
Yeah, don't go back to, is it Washington Street? And
It's a bar thing.
The club.
it's the club. It's the club? Jesus, I'm old. All right, are we done? Court's adjourned? Yay!